look like you're dressed for winter.
It feels a little chilly. Gotta get ready.
Welcome back, everyone. Mike here. I didn't plan on shooting a video this evening. I did bring this one little camera with me just in case I saw something interesting. I just came out here to try out the grapple on this RK24, which I think, by the way, is going to be named Sherman here. I'm not sure. I got to go back through all the comments, but it's either Sherman or Rudy. We'll see. But anyway, I just, didn't really plan on doing much, and next thing you know, I'm blazing trails. This thing works really, really well. I'll show you what I'm doing here. First though, just take a look around here. It is just a beautiful evening here in the woods. Just perfect out. Makes a lot of noise. So you've already seen this grapple, but it's the Arcade by Top Dog. It's a 54-inch grapple set up on the RK24. And something I didn't mention the other day, I got a new loader as well. Reason being, the other one was a pin-on. they now come standard with the quick attach. So they brought the loader, the third function, and the grapple. But what I'm doing here is, you know, back in these woods there's just tons of fallen branches and logs and multiflora rows and things like that. And that grapple, you just take your time, you just kind of scrape along the ground. You're leaving all the topsoil, and you get rid of all that stuff. You make a nice trail. You know, you're leaving all the topsoil. You still have this little stuff like this, but once you get it, you know, the big stuff out, you can just run back here with a brush hog. It's all taken care of. But in a matter of, I don't know, 15 minutes or something, I got about 200 feet done already. And I'm headed towards the new house. It's a ways down there, but definitely won't get there tonight. It's gonna get dark here pretty soon. Anyway, I'm gonna get back at it here for a little bit. We'll see how it goes.
never guess the places that I've been. You never guess the places that I've been. 'Cause everything is like a dream, yeah, but only in that dream that I live in. I'm never gonna let the day begin. Never gonna let the day begin. 'Cause everything is like a dream, yeah, but only in that dream that I live in. Oh, don't wake me up before you go, and I'll just make this bed my home. Oh, darling, please just let me sleep. Give me my dreams. Better from above. Nothing's ever as it seems, yeah, except in that world that I dream of. Never gonna lose the ones I love. Never gonna lose the ones I love. 'Cause everything is like a dream, yeah, but only in that world that I dream of. Oh, don't wake me up before you go, 'cause I can't face this day alone. Oh, darling, please just let me sleep. Give me my dreams. Give me my dreams. Give me my dreams.
I'm not sure how this video is going to turn out. Usually I have like 2 or 3 cameras and tripods and all kind of stuff, and all I have is this one little camera and a magnetic mount, and that's why you got a lot of shots from on the ground and things like that. There's no metal out here besides a tractor. But anyway, I'm telling you, this thing works really, really well. I got probably, I don't know, 250, 300 feet done in maybe an hour. Now this was kind of the easy part right here. There wasn't anything real big. I didn't have to do any chainsawing or anything through here. But I'm telling you what, that thing's going to work great for making trails back here. I'll show you what I got here. So right here's where I started. And like I said, there is a little bit of, little stuff left, but that's no big deal. You can run that right over. Once you get the bigger stuff out of the way, you can hit it with a brush hog and it'll be good. But yeah, I can get to the new house probably in, I don't know, it's a long way down there. And I got to go down a hill, kind of back up the other side, and then it levels off for a while, and then down to the house. It's probably, I don't know, 1,500 feet down there? Maybe a little further, I'm not even sure. But yeah, really pleased so far. Now, in most cases in my videos, I try to just show you what I do. I don't like telling anyone what to do. And, I don't get into safety a whole lot. I try to be as safe as I can. But I do want to say something. When you're in the woods with a grapple, especially in an open cab tractor, I can't emphasize enough how important it is. Just take your time. Because there's all kind of things. You can hook onto a grapevine, pull something down on top of you from above. There's just, you can be pushing on a log over here and kick something up over here, flop over on you. You can break your tractor. So just take your time, and slow and steady wins the race in this kind of work, that's for sure. Because there's a lot of ways to screw something up, doing this type of work. So just be careful. So anyway, that's the first work that I've done with this grapple. I mean, you're going to be seeing a lot more of this thing. You always think, bigger is better, a bigger machine. And don't get me wrong, there's a lot of instances where you need the horsepower and the weight. But for stuff like this, when you're just maneuvering around in these trees, this is a really nice little setup to do this with. I mean, it's pretty sweet. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button. That matters. Click subscribe and share them with your friends. Thanks.